Hey everyone, I'm Alex Gaziano, and today we're going to grab life by the horns. The 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn with a Waldoch Upfit. Starting with the front of the truck, this is a really sweet look. It's got the classic Ram look, super aggressive, has the Ram emblem here. As you transition to the side, you're gonna see 33-inch all-terrain tires sitting on 20-inch ion rims. Really sweet look to this truck. Down here, you're gonna see the two blacked out HDX Drop Steps. Kind of gives it a better look to the truck, and they're actually really easy to use. Over here, you're gonna see the 2-inch lift that Waldoch has inserted into this truck, along with the leveling kit. Kind of gives it that look that we're talking about. As we work to the back of the truck, you are really going to be able to see all of the blacked out emblems that come with the Night Edition. The Ram, the Bighorn logos, the Waldoch, the 4x4. Down here, we have the dual exhaust. This thing sounds awesome. A lot better than most trucks that we work with. All right, now let's hop inside and let's listen to this thing. Inside the truck, first thing you're going to notice how comfortable these seats are when you sit down. And one thing that's really nice, these heated seats instantly are working. I feel it immediately, and it's pretty cold out today. Along with that, I also have a heated steering wheel with this wrapped leather wheel. It's really comfortable, it's warm instantly. Down here, you can plug in your phone, any other auxiliary ports, any accessories you want to plug in, everything is right here at your fingertips. Up here, you have your tow haul mode, your parking assist in the front and in the back, your dual climate. It's really everything you could ever want right at the touch of your fingertips right here. This console is really nice. Everything is set up right in front of you. I have all the controls right at my fingertips. If I'm gonna be on the phone, if I'm messing with the radio, my cruise control, it's really easy to mess with. Transitioning over here, this center console is massive, absolutely massive. It goes all the way down. You can totally rearrange the kind of the compartments in here and really makes it nice. There's a spot for your phone to set there. Ram really thought of everything when they built this truck. Over here, we have the dual glove box, plenty of room for anything you might need to store away, paperwork, insurance, stuff like that. And then back here, you're gonna see there is tons of room. This is the crew cab model. You can literally fit 3 full-grown adults and have no issue at all. Now let's pop the hood of this beast. Inside, you are going to see a 5.7 V8 Hemi. This thing kicks out just under 400 horsepower. Cunis is the best place to buy your next lifted or performance truck. And remember, we'll take your lifted truck on trade when other dealers won't. And we'll ship to you no matter where you live in the US.